it's happening. So we are out in the 106 GTI. I thought like do my first sort of drive. I've had a drive in it obviously, but since we've been to Outspeed and sort of done everything, like got all them bits over and done with, like this is my first proper really outing. Shall I say outing? I don't know. What do you say? My first sort of spirited drive. I like that. Yeah, my first spirited drive. So yeah, like I say, when I got it back from Outspeed, it was like a different car. It really transformed it. Like they've obviously mapped it, and it's idling just normal. You start it, it don't conk out. But I think it was obviously conking out before because it wasn't set up right, and we had a problem with that injector. It weren't even the injector; it was the O-ring on the injectors. So I eventually went to Peugeot and ordered one directly from them and got a brand new one. Some of you might have seen on my Instagram, I put up in the week. But yeah, I replaced it. It was £20 for a little O-ring, which was a bit of a piss take. But I put that on and it's 100% right now. I didn't want to gamble it and be like, oh yeah, it's fixed with a little bit of grease in it. And I was thinking like, what if it goes again? I couldn't be bothered to have the hassle, so I just replaced it. And since I've done that, it's been sweet. And since Outspeed had the car, it's been sweet. So here we are. I'm just going to go out and actually enjoy it now. So yeah, it's decent. The only thing we've got is people on the road. That's the only thing that's going to fuck us up today. There's bare people. I feel like this actually is just like one of them cars when you just fucking, it's just sick. It is just sick. Oh fuck me, oh, a bit revvy there, baby. Bit revvy there, you know what I mean? This is why I fell in love with them when I was like younger, because it was an affordable car on the insurance and to buy, and it was rapid really for what it was. Like it was probably one of the fastest cars for my age out there at that time, which I could afford. Yeah, it's actually really surprising. We did have this Porsche. He give it a little bit. He did give it a little bit. It's the roundabouts I like. The roundabouts are the best. Oh, just it's too busy. I'm on a fucking 106 GTI. Do you know who I am? I'm track D70. I'm gonna go fucking steaming off this roundabout. When I get a break, when I get a break, oof, this fucking animal, this is, mate. This is animal when you fuck it up, babe. Fucking hell. It's the funnest when you're on the roundabouts. It really is. Oh, she shook her head at me. She didn't like that. Well. Bonjour. So I'm here having fun. Yes. Oh, yes. Come on, baby. Yes, we're in a 106. Wanna get it sideways and off we go. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. God. Bollocks. We're just not having much luck, are we? We're really not having much luck. We're just not having much joy. We're not, I kept it in here, obviously, for, safety reason when the injector was playing up. Oh shit! Fucking hell! Oh, fucking! Oh, it's gone everywhere. Okay, the 106 needs a hoover. It's rather dusty in here now. Just don't know where you're going, do you? Like, just ruin my fun, you know? It's alright. Oh, for God's sake, it's too busy. It's actually too busy to show you what it's like. I think we're going to have to tackle it another time. Honestly do. But let me show you the outside now. It's sort of all freshly done, and I mopped it, and it's all looking quite sexy, if I'm honest. Let me show you. So that is the outside. It is actually, it's pretty decent, it's pretty smart. I mean, don't get me wrong, it has the odd blemish around it. It's a 22-year-old car, so an appreciating classic really nowadays. But this is the engine, so this is where we spent most of the money. This is the JP4. It's basically the Citroen C2 VTS engine. I think naturally they produce 125 brake. We've got the 4.1 manifold Piper, got the Pub Sport 2-inch exhaust system running right through. We've got an ITG intake, we've got a set of cams on there, got the Omex ECU. Obviously at speed have mapped that for us. I mean, everyone's like, a few people have said, oh, why is it this blue, why is it this funky blue? Well, basically the previous owner who obviously I bought this off of, he done quite a bit to this car as well, and basically I'm assuming that he's painted this in his time, because I believe the reason he was selling it is because the head blue, or the bottom end blue, something like that. That's why I had no engine. That's why I brought it, because it was a decent shell, and I just thought it's a good base to start on. But they painted it this miraculously covered, this different blue. They just sort of restored the engine bay to as good as what they could do, maybe, or they just done it. But that's why it's this blue. When the engine was out, I was thinking to myself, oh, I want to spray that engine, but I just didn't do it, and I didn't get round to it, and it was in the garage for about 4 months, longer than what I actually anticipated it was going to be there for, so it didn't get done. I don't think it looks that bad, to be honest. I mean, you've got a light blue engine bay. I mean, some people might have a red car with a black engine bay. Who am I to judge? But anyway, it's got the Saxo VTS reconditioned gearbox. It's got a light flywheel. That's why it was so hoppy to get used to it. But as you can see, it's literally spotless. It's like, it's all lovely. No injector leaking. It's just brand new mounts. It's just literally like, I don't know, it's clean, man. It's actually very clean, and I don't know what else to say. Like, got the wheel woods, as you can see, they're brand new. Got springs and that, all brand new struts, brand new axle. That's what I'm saying. It's all brand new axle under there. Everything's brand new, near enough. We've got the refurbished speed lines. You've got, obviously, as you can see, they're all new brake lines running through it. Excuse the mess. I literally just popped a fire extinguisher and I didn't realise it was going to do what it did. But this is all dusty, by the way, from this fire extinguisher. But as you can see, you've got all the dials. Everything works. Fan pump. That's for your cut-off fuel pump. You've got the brake bias down there. Mounts for another seat. Everything's brand new. So I am going to be selling this, and you could be watching this and it could actually be up for sale right now on eBay. Only reason being, I can't get out of breath, I'm so fucking fit. The only reason I'm selling it is just purely down to I've done what I wanted to do to it. So I brought it for YouTube as such, to try and get some more content and some more subscribers, but YouTube's quite a hard thing to crack, and plus I'm shit at filming. Like, I don't know. I like YouTube and I like filming and I like doing these videos, but I don't know how well they are. And it's like, I don't know. I bought it for that, and it's like I could have filmed so much more, and I found myself that I didn't really film as much as I should have. But like I say, I've put an engine in it. I've got it to where I wanted it. It's a 106 GTI. I've always wanted to own another one. I've had my fun. I just like doing bits to cars. It's like, it's no different to like my other cars I've had on my Instagram. You might have seen it. It's like I do bits and then I think, oh, I've had enough. Like I want to have something new now and do something to them. It's like, that's what I enjoy. I enjoy owning a car and pottering about with it and doing bits and moving it on. I think once it's got to this stage where it's sort of done, it's like I get a bit bored as such. So that's why it's up for sale, and it's just, yeah. So 106 GTI is literally immaculate, engine wise and suspension and brakes, and yeah, it's had a fortune spent on it. And if it's a bit of you, just slip into my DMs on Instagram if you're interested. But yeah, that's pretty much it really, guys. That's the 106 GTI. Like, this will be the end of the road. As you can see, it's a very clean car, and I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed what I've done with it. But yeah. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and catch you in the next one, guys. Take care.